The best way to grow on Instagram as a small creator is. Hey, what's good guys, welcome back to the channel. This channel is all about how to grow on Instagram and Instagram updates, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how can you get Instagram to recommend your content so that you can go viral and even as a small creator. This video is going to be divided into 4 parts. The first part is we are going to talk about what are Instagram recommendations. Second is what are the benefit of recommendations. Third is what content does Instagram does not promote at all, and last is how can you get Instagram to recommend your content. So first is that what are Instagram recommendations. Instagram recommendations is that whenever you post a piece of content on their platform, they start surfing your videos to on different levels. For example, the explore page, they rank you higher on the feed and they make you go viral on the hashtags. Your end goal is that you want Instagram to put you higher on the feed and rank you more and give you more reach through explore page and through hashtags that don't even work today. But your end goal is going to be you want to go rank higher on the feed and you want to go viral on the explore page. Benefits of recommendations, like if you get Instagram to recommend your content, believe me, you're going to go viral in no time. Like this is the demographic of this page. First I used to do follow and unfollow, and from there I used to get about 100 something followers. But today this page goes viral every single day, as you can see the statistics, and I get more than 150 followers per day just through explore page. And benefit of benefit of recommendation is that Instagram knows better than us where to show our photos and who to show to, and if you get that, you're going to blow up really soon. So now let's talk about the content that Instagram does not promote at all. Instagram actually has a recommendation guidelines, and if you break those and you go against them, Instagram is not going to recommend your content to any of the people. And if you want to read their full blog post, the link is actually going to be down in the description below. But I have read that blog myself, and I'm going to represent that blog over here in a nutshell. Instagram will classify your account or your post as non-recommendable if you post your videos in any type of these categories. The first is violence, if you show people fighting, blood, Instagram's algorithm will quickly realize that, and they're not going to promote it on any of their stages, for example explore, hashtag, and even they're not going to show it to your own followers. Second is that if they have some type of graphics or shocking, Instagram is not going to promote that. And third is that showing too much skin. If you show too much skin and you have see-through clothes, Instagram is also not going to promote that. And also providing misinformation about health or finance. And if you provide misinformation about any of this, even if you provide it by chance, by mistakenly, Instagram is not going to promote that, and it can lead to even a shadow ban for a longer period of time. And targeting one certain religion in a negative way is also against the recommendation guidelines. And this last one is promoting supplements for fitness, and this also goes against the community guidelines. And if you are a fitness page and you get a promotion for a supplement, even if it's a good company, if you post it for $10-20, you're going to reduce your reach for a longer period of time. So instead you shouldn't promote any supplements, and I don't know why it goes against them, but it does. So if you post in any of these categories, you're not going to get recommended, and maybe it can lead to shadow ban, and instead you shouldn't post these posts. If you were wondering why your Instagram reach really dropped down, maybe you were posting content in these type of categories. And if going back to the violence part, if you are a media or a news page and you record a video where people are fighting, and Instagram will still treat that as violence, and they're not going to promote it to more people, and it can lead to a shadow ban. And if you ask me how to fix this, bro, seriously, I just don't know how to fix that, and Instagram needs to do something about that. I just don't know how to do it. Now let's talk about the juicy part. How can you get Instagram to recommend your content? So the first is that don't post content in these categories or you will get shadow banned. Like if you tell that the shadow ban doesn't exist, we all know that it does exist in some kind of way. And second is that post content in keeping in mind the goals of Instagram. And the main goal of Instagram is that you as a content creator need to satisfy the viewer. And how can you do that? And you can only do that by keeping that viewer on the platform for a longer period of time. And if this happens and Instagram will see that people are spending more time on your posts, they will start pushing your content to more people. For example, if you have a quote page, instead of just having one simple line, instead have two posts or have a longer quote. And this will increase the watch time from, like, if people are spending 1 second, now they're spending 3 seconds, and Instagram will see that and they will start promoting your page to newer audience. By your account, just don't post normal posts or stick to one type of content. Try different things out. Instagram has given us so many things like reels, normal posts, stories, IGTVs, go live and more. Try to interact with your audience in so many different ways. This will help you get recommended by Instagram to a newer audience. One more thing that Instagram said that I forgot to mention before is that Instagram said that you need a baseline of followers before they start recommending your content to a newer people. For me, that was about 5,000 followers. After 5,000 followers, I started ranking on the explore page, and so you need some baseline of views. And if you want to know how you can grow on Instagram, you can just simply subscribe to this channel, because we talk more about these type of stuff in the future, and we have talked about this in the past too. And the last is that try to send positive signals to the Instagram's algorithm through your post. Instagram is not about making your post go viral just through seeing your likes, but it's much more today. Now Instagram's algorithm will only push a video or recommend it to more people if that post or that video got more saves, shares, comments. The more you're able to get the SSCs, the shares, saves, comments, the more you're going to be recommended by Instagram. The more you will get recommended, more you will grow. And it's not just about posting simple face anymore. If you are into fitness, just posting normal posts, it's not going to work anymore. Let me show you example of these two pages. Both are into same niche, but they provide different type of content. So if you see this page or this profile, he is actually just posting normal his own post, right? And he's into fitness. If you make his go through his caption provides a ton of value. But the problem here is that whenever a person will see that, he's just going to like and go away. And that means that a person didn't read your caption. He just spent so less time and he didn't save it. And what's the point of saving a person who's half naked and who hasn't provided any value? And that's why Instagram is not recommending this content to a newer audience. Whereas if you see this page, and he's also in the same niche and he's also providing great value, but the thing is that the way that he's representing his content is a bit different. He's making infographic content and he has 5 posts in one, and that means that people are spending way more time on his post, increasing his watch time, and as it is written, and people are going to save it because they want to come back. And that's why this page is getting more exposure as compared to this page. So if you want to start any page, instead of just posting normal yourself videos posts, instead post content that is more savable and shareable. And in this video I have talked about 5 ways that you can get more saves on your post or your video. For today's video guys, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you how you can create infographic content for your Instagram so that your content can send those good vibes to Instagram. And if you want to learn about that and you want to learn more about Instagram growth, then consider subscribing, and I'll see you in this video. Peace.